Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Noel, and thank you so very much for tuning in. If you are new here, thank you so much for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. We're on the road to 700 subscribers. So guys, today's video, I just want to unbox some of the things, and yeah, stay tuned. Let's get into the video.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food.
Alright, so guys, so this is the thing that I want to unbox. And okay, let's get to see what's inside here.
Be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna 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 be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought.
So guys, I think up to now you know what it is. It's a dish rack. It's a 3-layered dish rack. So I think we're gonna build it together.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food and fuel. Step three, grow hard out what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed. I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set, never knew she's so bad. Can't beat the brag. Hit the gas in the back of the set, never knew she's so bad. Can't beat the brag. Hit the gas in the back of the set, never knew she's so bad. Can't beat the brag. Hit the gas in the back of the set, never knew she's so bad. Can't beat the brag. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set,
Achieving stability.
Achieving stability. Hapa juu tulikuwa tunafaa kuweka hivi. Naweka upside down. Just jiweka hivi. Chana kama inatembea. Alright, so malizia na hizi zinawekwa hivyo. Hii ingine moja extra. So nimewekwa extras mingi. Hizi ni za so this is for to prevent water from entering inside. So this is it, guys. This is it. So here you can be putting your tumblers, your cups here, and then here you put your cooking sticks. Your cooking sticks and your spoons here. Then here you'll be putting your plates. Here you can be putting your maybe your spurias. And here cups. Down here is cups. And you're good to go. So this is how we install it. It's a 3-tier dish rack, and that is it. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching up to the end. Thank you so much for clicking once again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Road to 700. So without further ado, let me see you on the next video. Ciao ciao. Oh. Hey guys, nifanye introduction.